Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're solving a frustrating issue that's been preventing people from sharing moments on Messenger, the unable to send pictures error. Whether you're getting failed sends, endless loading, or just no response when trying to share photos, I've got several working solutions for you. Let's start with the quickest fixes first. Often, this is just a temporary glitch that's easy to resolve. First, check your internet connection. This might seem obvious, but Messenger needs a stable connection to send media files. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restarting it. Now, let's check for app updates. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of sending issues. Open your app store, search for Messenger, and see if there's an update available. Install any pending updates and try sending your photo again. If that didn't work, let's clear the app cache and data. Go to your phone settings, apps, Messenger, storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if you can send pictures. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your messages, but you will need to log in again. Still having trouble? Let's check app permissions. Messenger needs access to your storage to send photos. Go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Permissions. Make sure Storage or Photos and Videos permission is enabled. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and back on again. For those on Android, let's try wiping the app's cache partition. Turn off your phone, then press and hold the volume up and power buttons until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Cache Partition and press the power button to select it. This clears temporary system files without affecting your personal data. If you're using the web version of Messenger on desktop, try these steps. Clear your browser cache and cookies, disable any ad blockers or extensions temporarily, and make sure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings. As a last resort, you can uninstall and reinstall Messenger. This gives you a fresh start with the app. Before uninstalling, make sure your important messages are backed up. After reinstalling, log back in and test your photo sending. I know how frustrating it is when you can't share photos with friends and family, but one of these solutions should get your Messenger working properly again. For most people, clearing the app cache or checking permissions does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to sharing moments on Messenger, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching.